In this video, we will learn about variation. This is the maths when we will use the sign proportion. The sentences I wrote here in black ink, those sentences will appear in your exam, and those I wrote in red ink, these equations you will write while solving the question. When you are asked that x varies as y directly, you will write x proportional to y. If you are asked that x varies as y inversely, you will write that x is proportional to 1 by y. When you are asked that, or you are told that x varies directly as square of y, you will write x proportional to y square. And when you see in the exam paper that x varies inversely as square of y, that means x proportional to 1 by y square. X varies directly as square root of y, it means x is proportional to root over y. And x varies inversely as square root of y, it means x is proportional to 1 by root over y. Now we will see an example to clarify our knowledge on variation. The example we will discuss now is written on the board here. You can see that the question says that x varies directly as y, and given that when the value of x is 3, the value of y is 15. Now in question number 1, you are asked to find the expression of y in terms of x. In question number 2, you are asked that what will be the value of y if the value of x is 2, and in question number 3, you are asked that what will be the value of x if the value of y is 35. So let's solve the question. X varies directly as y, so we will write x is proportional to y. In the next line we will write x equal to a constant k into y. Here is a point that the proportional sign can be replaced by an equation and a constant. Now we are given the information that x equal to 3 when y equal to 15. That means we can write 3 equal to k into 15. Therefore 3 by 15 equals to k. The value of k is 1 by 5. 3 by 15 is 1 by 5. So we found the value of k. Therefore in equation 1 we can put the value of k, x equal to 1 by 5 into y. That means y equal to 5x. This is the answer of question number 1. We expressed y in terms of x. Now the second question. Find the value of y when x equal to 2. Y equal to 5x. Question number 2. When x equal to 2, y equal to 5x, that means 5 into 2, 10. And what about question number 3? Find the value of x when y equal to 35. Y equal to 5x. We found the expression earlier. The value of y now 35 equal to 5x. Therefore 35 by 5 equal to x, 7 equal to x. Therefore the value of x is 7. In the same way, if the question would have asked us that x varies as y inversely, we will start with this shape. If the question would have asked us that x varies directly as square of y, we would start from this. So I have showed you one example from here, and I think you will be able to perform the math if your question asks from any of these type of statements.